Okay, fine. So we have two type of connections, live and extract. What is these two types? In live connection, see, in live connection, the data set is small. Okay, it is used when real time data is needed. That if the data is updating in real time, then the live connection is set up, and it is reflected in your dashboard creations or the graphics that you visualizations that you created in live real time. Okay, so when the data is coming in regular basis, or you can say in real time regularly, and you need those updates on regular basis on your visualization also, then you will select your live connection. Okay, second is your extract connection. Extract connection is basically used when the data is very big. Okay, and as well as if it is not working on live data, it is more faster than the live connection, and it does not need real time data in dashboards. It is not reflecting. So whenever you update the data set or the database, it needed to be refreshed. Okay, and when you refresh this your data set, it is also updated in your dashboards. So what is the difference in live and extract connections? In live, it updates or reflects the updates in your dashboards and all those things in real time, and the extract gets updates when you click on refresh button. Okay, so it is not getting refreshed automatically. That's the two differences. Okay, now moving to the connecting to different data sources, that what are the different data sources available in Tableau Desktop. We already seen that Excel files, JSON files. Let me show you this also. See, here you have these files: Microsoft Excel, text file, JSON, Microsoft Access, PDF, spatial, statistical files. Okay, and what are more connections that Tableau have? We have to insert all those things over here. Okay, so the uh, seven type of files that are also available with your Tableau public are available here also, and more options will be available, that whenever you select any other type of source, data source, it converts into the compatible mode. Okay, and the next thing is to a server. Okay, so Tableau server. Next thing is to a file, that is particular files that are present here. Okay, so you already extracted or inserted Excel file in your micro in Tableau in your first session. Remember that. Okay, I am just showing quickly that what is the process. Okay, now the very important thing that Tableau Desktop have to connect with the server. This facility is not, or this feature is not available in Tableau public, as well as the Tableau server feature is not also available in Tableau public. So what are the different servers that can be connected to your Tableau Desktop? See, Vertica, Web Data Connector, other databases, or see in more. There are a lot of more connections that are available here. See, already installed connections are 74. Almost all type of data sources are connected here. Google Analytics. I am all I am only naming those things that are most famous, and all are aware about that. All the data sources that Google provides, Okay, over here, see, if you are having some your data sources in your Google Drive, you can connect with it, and that Google Cloud SQL also. Okay, because SQL having the biggest query language which is used to collect data and make it structured, and almost all SQL types also. When we will see the basics of SQL, I will tell you what are the different type of SQL also. See, here Google SQL is also available, PostgreSQL also available, Spark SQL also available. Okay, and here you can see MySQL is also available. Microsoft SQL, that is Azure SQL database, which is also available. So almost all the types. It get your Power Pivot tables also directly. Here Microsoft SQL Server also available. Okay, and even if you have any other server or your data sources with you other than these 74, you can connect it from here. Okay, see, 19 more connections are available here that you can connect with your Tableau server. Okay, so from this you can assume that what is Tableau desktop features. The biggest advantage of Tableau desktop is you can connect your servers, different servers of your database directly to the Tableau. So you don't need to you can say extract or insert the data sets or the databases to Tableau each and every time. So you can directly connect your data sources or data servers to Tableau, and that will interface with Tableau, and you can work over those data sets. Okay, moving ahead. Now we will see how to prepare data for analysis. Okay, preparing data, actually, why we need to prepare the data or to prepare the data for analysis, what is there there is a need to prepare that, because uh, a very common thing is present there, that whenever a data is coming from any sources, okay, to the point where we are collecting the data. Suppose the data is coming from any survey, or you can say the data is coming from any feedback platforms, or you can say the data is coming from some other sources like your ratings or any other things, or the Google Maps, all, and there are many sources from where you can collect the data. So at that point, if someone is filling any survey, so it is not necessary that they will fill those surveys as per your requirement. It is specified definitely, but sometime that data also having some mistakes, because we can't rely on those things that the person who is filling the survey will fill it correctly. So we need to prepare the data as per the requirements. It needs it needs you to clean that data, to prepare that data as per your visualizations. Okay, you have to clean, you have to structure that data, or data cleaning we will definitely see. So coming forward with the next things, these are the built-in tools that you can prepare the data sets with you. The very first is your joins. Hope you all are aware about these terminologies. We will see in detail also. Very first thing is your joins. Second is your relationships. One by one, we will see all these built-in functions. Joins, relationships, unions, data blending, aggregation, pivot, pivot in your Tableau, uh, that you all that you all must know. In that Excel also we have a pivot tables. That feature is also available in Tableau. Then data interpreter, then splitting the data. Okay, these are the major built-in tools to prepare your data. And more or less, if you want to prepare your data in with more features, there is another version, or you can say another product of Tableau, that is Tableau Prep. Okay, that is specially having the features to preparing your data. Okay, that is a very cool version of Tableau that allows all type of calculations, all type of preparation of your data. Okay, let's move on with joins. The very first, you can say, part where you will prepare your data. Actually, what is joins? Joins basically merge two tables side by side, or you can say it merges two different tables as per their relationships. Okay, or we will see in practical also. Okay, so what join does? Joins used to combine data for desired aspects. Like we want that these type of particular things can be merged. Or if you are having two tables with you, then whenever you are joining these two tables, it gets filtered definitely. Second thing, it automatically removes the duplicates. So you don't need to remove the duplicates manually or by a separate features. Just use joins and it will filter as well as remove the duplicates also. Okay. So there are four type of joins that can be done in Tableau. First one is your left join, second is your right join, third is your inner join, and finally your full outer join. So what are these four type of joins? Uh, Let me explain you that first is your left join. Joins are very famous in SQL also. It is very helpful also when you are merging.
Yes.
Yes,
Sir, can we connect SPSS tools with this?
yes, definitely you can join.
Okay, sir.
Yes, there is. I can say there not a single other platform or other server that you can't join with Tableau. If they are having some databases with you, definitely you can join with Tableau.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so just hold on. Just hold on for 5 minutes. 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Okay, so let's see what are these type of joins. So when we will merge it in Tableau, you will understand easily that what happened. So the very first is your left join. Okay, so in left join, what is going to do that? Just see, say this is your table. You have two tables. Is not going to do. T1 and second table is your T2. Okay, table 1 and table 2. Okay, you can nomenclature as per your understanding. You can say table A and your table B. That will be more easy. Okay, so if they are having two tables, table A and table B. Okay, what we will say, your table A is in your left. Okay, it is in your left, and table B is in your right. You can understand it in another way also, that whichever the table you inserted at your first place, or the first table you insert is your table left, and then after the second table that you insert is your table right. Okay, so see, now what happened when you apply your left join. Okay, left join matlab it will affect your left table, your first table, your table number A. Okay, so all the elements which are available in your table A are included in your join, as well as whatever be the elements that are common into these two tables. This part, this is a common feature of both these tables. So whatever be the common elements in table A and B are also included in it. Okay, hope you understand. We will elaborate it in example also. So all the elements of table A, which is table left, and as well as the common elements of both the tables is included in left. The very reverse thing happens with your right join. Okay, that all the elements of table B and the common elements of both the tables. Okay, and when we will talk about the inner join. Okay, inner join means only the elements those are common in both these tables. Okay, see this part, only those elements those are common in both the tables will be seen or joined when we implement inner join. Okay, second is full outer join. The name itself explains it, that it will contain all the elements in of both the tables, so it is full outer join. Okay, hope you understand what is the concept behind the joins. It is also the, it is only the concept, we will implement it in Tableau. Hope you all understand. I am waiting your response in chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So moving ahead, performing your joins. Okay, perform your join in Tableau. Okay, so just insert the table in Tableau from Microsoft Excel. See, sample superstore is available with you. Do you have the another file with you that have all these returns, orders, people returns? Just a moment. Uh, Let me share you over here. Let me share you the file that I shown you. Just a moment. Because the sample that you downloaded don't have the bifurcations. I'm sharing the file over here. If someone face any issue or some problem to download it, please let me know. Just a moment. File not uploading from here. It's not getting uploaded from here. Do you all have the access for Microsoft Team? Okay, Sandeep. Let me drop that file over there. Okay, just find a file, load data from Excel.xls. If still you are facing anything, please let me know. I will share it on your WhatsApp group also. Do you all get that file? Okay, Shalini. I am sharing that on WhatsApp group also. I shared the file on your group also. Please go through that and download that. Many of you still facing the same issue of credentials not available or user account locked. So please try to sign up on Tableau online. It is available on if you will search on Google the Tableau online, it will be over there. Unable to log into desktop. Uh, Still, you are facing the same thing. Uh, did you got the file on WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir.
Share you the things again. So you are able to log in on those things again. Many of you are still facing the problem to having login into the Tableau desktop. So let me show those things again.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, how to connect this SAP business objects in Tableau?
Pardon?
How to connect SAP business objects? Bobj.
SAP subject objects. I will tell you. Please let me resolve the problem of login first. So the people get logged in into Tableau desktop once. I will tell you definitely. Okay. See what you have to do. Uh, uh, Now, very first thing that I have to tell you that go to whenever you will open your Microsoft Meet team with here, you will see all these things: your teams, your chat, your assignments, your calendar. Okay, so there is a special team that I created for you. Okay, so when you go into it, you will find your assignments, your class notes, and especially the announcements. I already uploaded here these files also. So in the file section, in the top, you will find all the files also. I will drop the current working files here also. So you will get it very easily. You can download from here all the learning materials and PPTs, all those things. Okay. And we will do some live events also with here, and the activity that you will perform or the current or the running things that I give you during the sessions is included in the activity. And here you can get connected with your teammates or the peoples who are attending the sessions. You can connect over here by just going through the new conversation and all those things. You can share files with those peoples also and create your own notes also. If you are having any doubt anytime 24 into 7, and this meet will be created for you all only, so it will remain here all the time. So if you are having any doubt, just drop a new conversation over here. Okay, so those who are facing problem, just search Tableau online. Okay, here you see the very first option here, that is your Tableau online login. Okay, so click on that. It will move you on the Tableau online page. Okay. If you are not signed in till now, just a moment. If you are not having your account till now, go to your forgot password and it will move you. Once you will enter any email ID or password, it will ask you to sign up. Okay. I generally have my email ID, so it is not moving me towards that sign up page. So whenever you created your account on your Tableau online, there are two things. Once it will move you on the site where you have to sign up, scroll down. Okay, it will ask you all those same formalities that you filled previously. Okay, you can use your same email ID also to create with that. So if you still face any problem while signing up on Tableau online, uh, just drop me a message tomorrow. We will interact one by one and resolve this problem. Okay, by sharing your screen, I will resolve it. Okay, just observe that, and I will share these PPTs also, so easily you can go through all these things and smoothly you can perform these things also. Okay, once you will sign in here, it will also get you into Tableau Desktop. So from the very top point, you can sign up with the server and the same credentials that you entered over there, insert the same credentials and get signed in into Tableau server. Okay. If you still face issues with your files, just drop me message by tomorrow and we will resolve it. Okay. And one more thing I need to know from all of you is it comfortable to all of you to attend the class in the noon by 2 2:30 or like that? If you will shift the timing of your uh, batch. Okay. Okay, no issue. We will continue at the same time.
Sir, if
I saw
you
you are
like,
facing the
you,
same issue.
you sir, you can make two batches, no?
Just a moment, Sandeep. Yes, Sandeep.
Sir, you can make two batches if you are facing issues like noon and night.
No, it's okay. We can continue on the same time.
Fine, sir.
We can continue with the same time. Not an issue. Okay. So now, uh, when you sign in with these files, with the server, you can see that you got signed in with your own credentials, and also with your Tableau public you can connect over here. Okay, we already moved till here. Let's see. So let's move on with joins. Okay. Hope you all got the file that I shared you on group on your Microsoft platform also.
Sir,
Did you
can you sign out and sign in once again?
in Tableau?
Yes, sir. And use the server again, sir.
Okay, sure. Here, just sign out. Just a moment.
Yes, sir.
Are you facing any issue to sign in again, Sandeep?
Yes, sir. I just tried signing it out. So that's why I
Okay.
told.
So, is it asking you that your ID is blocked again?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Same message.
Just a moment. Accidentally it closed. Otherwise, from the home tab, it gets signed out. Once in the starting few sessions, if all the things will be get set up, then after it is very easy to going little bit faster, because it is very important you for you people to get familiar with the software, to familiar with the interface of Tableau, because these are the things that spoils the mind. Data never
Correct.
spoils. Data
And
never.
even for
Yes,
signing on to that Tableau is like a pitch black for some people, I guess.
definitely,
Because
definitely.
because we have to twice we have to do the coding like we have to
Right,
go to our Gmail, and then again we have to approve that
right,
twice.
right, right. Once when you log in into the server, it moves on the web. Then you have to close it. Then again you have to sign in uh, to the server. That time it again asks you all the credentials.
Yes, sir. Because once you do that from your Gmail and again you put the email ID, it will show that it's an invalid email ID in Tableau. Then again you have to like go through the mail. Again you have to use the passcode. Then it will be logged in from Tableau.
Right, right. It is taking more time than the usual.
Sorry, sir. I didn't wanted to jeopardize the
No,
possession.
no, no, no. It's okay. It's okay, because my purpose is that each and everyone clear their doubts. No one have any doubts until what we have seen. So that's the only purpose of this training. That uh, we can cover one example of each thing that will clear you the things. But whenever these type of things stuck you at the point of sign in, you're uploading your data, connecting your server, that blocks you on the same point. You not even move ahead to analyze the data, because if you are not able to connect your database, with the Tableau, you are not able to analyze it as well as. Okay. Uh, See here, continue with the trial. Two tabs are opened. See, we have option over here for the server. Going to the sign in again, it will ask you to connect with the Tableau server on Tableau Online. If the same thing is not visible in your Tableau, then click on Tableau Online. Quick, it will replace it. Okay. So once you will click the below option of Tableau Online, it will open this pop-up window. Uh, if you previously clicked on the remember me, then it will show automatically your email ID. If it is not showing, insert the same email ID that you used to sign up on Tableau online platform. Then enter your password. Okay, and click on sign in. Okay, it get connected, right? Hope the thing is clear to you.
Sir, my right now mine got connected, but it's showing another dialog pane. In that I'm able to see like the welcome page of a Tableau site inside the Tableau.
Close that. Close that and sign in again. As if you notice the thing, when I signed in the first time in this session, the same window is popped up over here also. Okay,
Okay.
so close that and sign it again. The window is similar to the web page of your Tableau online, right?
Correct, sir.
Close that window, and most probably it get signed in, or else you have to sign in again. This time it will connect you directly.
Yes, sir. Done, sir. Thank
Right.
God. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so moving ahead, moving with your databases. Okay, that we already signed it with the data, or you can use the super store data shown below with these credentials here. Okay, or
Sir, what's the advantage of signing in and then working on some file,
like
like
if
cleaning the data?
it uses the cloud,
Okay, okay. Got it.
that's why. Okay, hope you all got the files also that I shared to you. uh, these three sheets are in that file: orders, people, and return. Okay, let's see how you will perform that join. Okay, these three things are visible to you, right? So what will we would do to perform joins? Okay, see, drag and drop the orders into your worksheet like this. Drag and drop it into here. Okay, you will see this window here where you will see the connections live extract. Okay, your all credentials here also. Okay, what will be the next? Just open that. Okay, click on open, right? Then the second thing, you have returns with it. Okay, whenever you drag and drop the returns here like it, let me show you. Open. Okay, then clicking return, dragging return here. See, you see, just a moment, let me zoom it. Okay, so you now see here one thing, the same pictorial presentation of joins. Okay, what type of join it is?
Inner
What?
joy.
Right, it's an inner join. Okay, uh, when you click on it, it shows all the four type of joints here. Okay, so you can change these type of joints from here, as simple as it is, as simple as the Tableau is. Okay, so what Tableau provides, it provides us three things: drag, drop, and click. Okay, so by using these three things, we perform all the functions in Tableau by dragging, dropping, and clicking the data sets. Okay, so from here you can change your joins. Either you can choose your, see, in inner join we have two credentials. One is order ID, and secondly, in from returns you have your order ID also. I will explain it in the upcoming classes also. So from here you can understand that your orders table is your left table. Okay, the first table that we inserted here. Okay, the second table we inserted is your right table here. Okay, like that. So that's what I am saying you. Now as you all see that when you have orders table only, you have 9998 rows. Okay, and 21 fields. Now it changed to 23 fields and 800 rows. Okay, so it get merged. It get your joins here. Okay, that is inner join. Suppose you want to do your left join. Okay, see, it get changed by your order ID, left join. Okay, see what happened. It again get 23 fields and 9994 rows. Okay, see the difference over here. What are the changes are happening? Okay. Now see what happened in the right join. Click on right join. It get refreshed. Click. See again 23 fields and 800 rows only. Okay. And when we select the full order, it get refreshed, and again the same thing. The whole part from the orders table is over here. So as you see, these four joins makes variation into your table, and what type of data you want from the second table is also available when you perform these four joins. Okay, let's move on.
Sir,
Yes,
so what is that new join, add new join to the clause?
new join.
Yes, sir, it's written, no? Add new join clause.
In this or over here
Mm,
in, okay, in Tableau.
yes, sir.
Add,
Sir, choose the
yes,
joins. Sir,
yes.
here below the order ID, it's written, no, add
Over
new join
here.
clause.
Okay, okay. Uh, actually, this part will be covered in upcoming session. But if you are asking, so if by default when we select any join, okay, so these are the attributes. So it have to select some fields or some topics, or you can say some attributes from the table to connect. Okay, so order ID in orders, and this one, this order ID in your returns, having the unique values and having the same values. If some
Sir,
or if some
it's
see if someone having order ID 5, okay, then the same thing will be available in returns. The same credentials will be available in returns with the order ID 5. Okay, so it will connect with the same parameters. So we have to define these fields. Okay, if you want to connect these things with two columns, two type of columns, so it it allows you to connect with the other type of fields also. See here. Okay, if I say your subcategory, selecting the subcategory, and from over here we have only two things. Okay, what are those things? Order ID and returned. Return table having only two fields, order ID and return. So order ID is unique among these two tables. So by default, Tableau automatically detected these two things and created join among these two tables. So if a user will or user defined you want to select the fields, you can select it from here. Okay.
Hanji sir, but can we change? We can change that equal to, not equal to, and all those as well now
Yes.
parameters.
Yes,
So
you can
can we
change.
change for the new join clause that we are adding?
Yes, you can change that.
And sir, can we can we have an inner join
Hmm.
with no? Can we have a full outer join with
Yes.
an inner join?
But what is the purpose for that? If you are using your full outer join,
Sir,
then
let's say I
what?
have population for 5 years,
Okay.
and I want to merge 2.5 years and 2.5 years, and then later on I want to merge uh, just the last year, all the foreign keys of last year with the
Hmm.
foreign keys of the last fifth year.
Okay.
Yes, sir. In that scenario, can I do that?
But you have to create in a parallel part, not in a same connections. You have to select a single join from here. In
No,
parallel, you can perform that. Like if you can select orders again and returns, and then select different joins here, then only it is possible. Because parallelly the with this connection, you can't create two joins in a single connection.
so
That's
that means I have to create two order tables.
right.
Let's say in this case. So
right.
inside in two order tables, one will be inner join and another one will be full outer join.
Full outer join.
And then within that, I have to do like rest all.
Right,
And
right,
now, sir, if I want to join the final outcome of both the tables, then
right.
what should I do?
You can merge both the tables. I will
Okay.
I will
Okay.
show you how to connect to both these tables. In upcoming things, you will see that how these other tables of or you can say the outputs can get connected.
All right, sir. That was informative.
because
Thank you.
because because in Tableau Public, many of these features are not available. That's the thing. Okay.
Hmm. Tableau desktop we can do, but sir, like
Right, right.
joins, all
that's
joins.
that's why I insist you to download this version, so you can be aware about all the features that are available with the Tableau, no? Because we can perform many tasks on Tableau Public, but it is not so much fruitful. You will not get aware about the major or you can say advanced features of Tableau that are mainly used in industry. All other features are used only for the practice. Okay, so let's move ahead. Let's complete these joins at least today. So we already seen what happened. This is an example uh, I inserted to let you understand what happened in the joins. Okay, so it's an example that you have two tables, or you can say you have a same table and you want to join these tables. One table having product IDs like this. Okay, second having your product IDs like this. Okay, and you want to apply joins on it. Okay, so these are the two keys. You can say these are the two primary keys to join these two sets, right table and left table. So when we perform left join, okay, it will contain all the values in your left table as well as some more that are common into your right table. I highlighted what will be the output, because as you see in your left table, in this table you have 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, similarly you have in your right table also these. I will back one slide. See, you have 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 here. Similarly 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 here. So in left join you will get all these credentials along with this one. Okay, let's see. It will clear you how these joins are performing. Okay, so and join in right join similarly in right join it will get the content of this table along with these credentials that are common into this and this. This is your right table. Okay, when you perform the inner join means the common part of the both tables. So as we know, this is the only common part available in both the tables. Okay, it will be the output when you perform your inner join over these two tables. And in full table, full outer join, all the credentials available into your table A and in table B will be merged and the output of the result of join. Okay. Uh, Now see what is in relationship. What are the relationships available in Tableau. Okay. Relationship is also a very important part in Tableau because we are working on more than one table, and in that table, in those table, or you can say to merge or to create a relation between all these things, you have to know how to make the relationships between these or the tables that are available with your data sets. So you can create the joins particularly with the particular data that are needed. Okay. So all these things that we are going through are come into the preparation of the data. So when you need to combine multiple data sets, okay, that is almost uh, the case when you will perform your projects. You have to combine the multiple data sets. So relationship work at that point. Okay. And in your joins, what happened? That needs a particular primary key that is unique in that data set. Okay. But when we are using relationship combines the data set that even not having a unique values. There are many more things, or you can say a many more type of data sets available in industry, and if you need to combine two tables that are not unique, that even not having any column or any attribute with the unique values, and you have to analyze or you have to combine that data set, then relationship works there. So relationship works where? When you have a non-unique values. Okay. Let's see what it helps us, how relationships help us. When you combine your data set with relationships, it lacks upfront data preparation. Means it automatically removes the duplicates, it automatically arranges your data into a structured way and assigns some you can say attributes or you can say headings to your columns that is suitable as per the uh, data set, and automatically assigns the type of data that is into that column. Okay. So the second thing we already discussed, it is more use cases per data source, because as many variations are available in the data source, as many variations will be solved using your relationships. Okay. So moreover than joins, the Tableau developers use relationships because they don't want to take any type of risks, that if we have relationships, then a normal structured data can also be combined, and if there are non-unique values also, it will combine in as usually with the relationships. So rather using joins for the structured data and relationship for the non-structured data, or you can say your non-unique fields data, just use relationship for all the data sources. It will solve your problem in many ways. Okay. And this very important part of it, that it created trust in the results. So whatever be the combination of the data sources, or you can say multiple tables, it will give you more trusted results, that the data is more perfectly cleaned or more perfectly prepared. Okay, that's fine. So Uh, this will be the last slide for the today's session, and we will stop our session by this slide, as we also didn't take any break today, just for the 2 to 3 minutes break today, and hope all of your problem will resolved by tomorrow for signing in into your Tableau desktop. If you will face any issue, just drop me a message on WhatsApp. We will connect on Meet, or you can be available on your Zoom, Google Meet, anywhere as per your convenience, and we will uh, share your screen and resolve that issue immediately. So from the tomorrow's session, all of you will be logged in or sign in into Tableau desktops, so we can perform easily all the tasks practically. Okay, so let's understand what is relationships from this slide. Okay, the very first thing is to resolve. It resolves all type of issues that are related to aggregations and measures native level of details. Okay, LOD. See this thing. This is into the advanced section of Tableau, LODs. LOD helps to resolve the aggregations that are also part of relationship. Okay. Second, it replicates. Okay. So it replicates measures across lower levels of details in the viz only. Okay. So it is more fruitful to us. Okay. It is relevant dimension domains are shown across tables. What it means? It shows particular type of data. Either it is of date type, either it is of your geographical type, either it is of text type, either it is of numeric type, either it is long date, short date, and all those things. It shows in at the point where the data dimensions are mentioned. Okay, so it makes your task so simple. It retains all the values. So while using relationships, you will not lose your single data. Okay, full domains remain for dimensions from a single table. See, there are two things. uh, I will explain you in later sessions about those things. But there are two things. One is your numerical data, and second one is your non-numeric data. The numeric data is your measures. Okay, that is known as your measures, and your non-numeric data is known as your dimensions. So that's why these terminologies used over here. Okay. And next one, the measures as zero represent unmatched measures as zero with Zn. Whenever it get some relationship between the two tables and there is some unmatching in the data set, it just put it Zn, means zero, nothing. So it is more profitable to us that you can analyze these data further easily. Okay. Next, it provides you the facility of filters, that you can remove that unmatched values. Okay. It provides the user to filter out these things, that you can filter out these things or you can correct the unmatched things. Especially when you will work on map, it will help you so much. Okay. Next, it recovers your unmatched dimensions with measures. So once we will dip into the chart preparation, you will see that definitely there is things that how we can change the non non-numeric value into numeric terminologies. So relationship, uh,
Sir,
that
sir, I
yes,
have a query.
yes,
Sir,
Sandeep,
like we got some values from Google form, and
hmm,
now let's say there is a question which is a qualitative question, and I
right,
got an answer for that. Now I
right,
need to change that into a quantitative one. So I need like I can judge it on the basis of yes and no answers. So yes will be one and no will be zero.
right.
So and now I have to.
So
Uh,
by using relationship, it converts it into your measures.
okay, okay, okay. I got it, sir. Yeah.
That's the point, and that's very important thing, that if you are not having any numeric value into your data sets, and how will you create the charts? So
Sir,
you
when will you teach this?
in next session, the
Yes, sir.
chart section will be started.
That is tomorrow, sir, right?
Right, by
Okay,
tomorrow.
sir.
And so these are the things, and these are the relations that are worked with Tableau. These are known as 8 R's. Okay, so we will cover it very frequently, or very in a simple fast mode by tomorrow, in the relationships, and how these relationships work in Tableau, and how to do it into Tableau Desktop. So we will do the practical of relationships, and we will start the chart by tomorrow. So there will be some interesting part starting from tomorrow. So we will prepare so many charts in Tableau from tomorrow. Almost there you can prepare 150 different type of charts in Tableau. It provides 25 to 30 charts, and by merging, by comparing, by elaborating those charts, you can you can prepare multiple variants of those charts. So from those 25 to 30 charts, you can prepare different variants of up to 150. Comparative charts and combined charts, dual charts, and in map also you can prepare different type of charts. There are two variants that gives you the option of preparing more than 8 different maps. So it will be very interesting. So I hope it is informative for you for today. And
Sir, will you teach like if I have a raw data and I
okay.
want to use some uh, like let's say correlation analysis on that
Mm-hmm.
or regression analysis or predictive analysis, can I
Okay.
use like how can I implement that and form a chart? Will you like
You
explain that
you can prepare that, but you have to prepare your data first into Tableau Prep.
into Tableau?
Into Tableau Prep. That i-
Okay.
that is specifically to prepare your data as per your requirement.
Okay, sir. Sir, will you teach that?
Not included in this training, but I will try, if we will have plenty of time in and we will go through all the versions of Tableau and
Sir,
basic
just
basic
teach
knowledge.
like five fields now. I just need five fields, like just the beginning. I'm a
Sure,
quick
sure,
learner, sir. I'll do it.
sure. I will include it into it.
And sir, the like if I have a financial data
Okay.
and I want to use, let's say I want to calculate the financial performance of a company. Now
Mm-hmm.
uh, I want to know the financial. I want to use the formula of all ratio analysis, and I
Mm-hmm.
want to know the financial performance of the company. So how to use that as well?
That is performed by calculative fields. You have to create your own calculative fields for your analysis. So by creating your own calculative fields, that is into calculation part, you can easily perform your analysis.
After performing that, I have to like import the data, the outcome, final outcome data, and then I am able to draw just the charts in Tableau. Or is there a method to
No, no.
do the analysis?
The analysis is performed in Tableau only. The calculative fields are used in Tableau.
All those function X.
All those things.
Okay, okay,
Just you need to insert your raw data into Tableau, and Tableau let you prepare that data into itself.
okay, okay. I got it, sir. Just like
Okay,
Excel.
just like Excel. You can
Yes.
say Tableau is a graphical presentation of Excel.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
As there is Windows 10 and in Windows 11 we have more features and more graphics. Similarly, Tableau is a replica of Excel with more features of visualization. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Uh, okay. So we will end today's session over here. I will post a feedback into your Tableau group by morning. Okay. So for the sake of attendance and all your some questionnaire also over there. So fill that and focus on the questionnaire that you are going to fill along with your attendance. It also matters. So from I seen the previous two questionnaires and the attendance sheets that you just filled randomly those questions. Many of you fill those things randomly for the sake of filling the questions. Don't do that because maybe at the end of the session or end of the training it will impact on your certifications. So maybe your grading will be mentioned on your certification. So don't do that. Just focus what are those questions and what will be the answer of those questions. Those are objective type only. So please focus. Okay. So have a good day. Today's recording will be shared into your Microsoft Team classroom, so you can avail from there. And as well as I will share you the link of our YouTube channel also, where this recording will be available also by tomorrow. Okay, so have a good night and
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
okay, good night. We will meet by tomorrow on 9 p.m. Okay, good night. Okay, thank you.